everyone, welcome to another phonics lesson. Now today we're going to be learning another set 2 sound, but before we do we're going to go through the sounds we've been learning so far. And I think that we're getting used to the order we've been learning them in, so today, to make it a bit tricky, I'm mixing up those sounds. Are you ready? Call out the sounds. O, A, E, I, O, R, U, O. Was that a bit tricky, or did you get them all right? If you got them right, give yourselves a round of applause. Now today we're going to be learning another new sound, and today's sound has 3 letters. So we say 3 letters, 1 sound. Here's today's sound. Today's sound is made of an A, I, But when they're together, the new sound is air. Air. Let's try that together. My turn, your turn. Air. 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 Well done. Now I've got a picture to help you remember our new sound. Here it is. We can see a mum and her 2 children. And the mum is holding a plate of cakes. And the children want some. And they say, "That's not fair." The mum is eating all the cakes by herself, and the children are saying, "That's not fair." The word fair has the sound air in. Air. Air, air, that's not fair. 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 So today's sound is air. Now I'm going to say some sounds. I want you to blend those sounds together to tell me the word. Are you ready? The first word only has 2 fret fingers. Your word is air. Hair. Well done. Hair. The next one you're going to do by yourself. Are you ready? I need another 2 fingers. This time your word is air. What's the word? Fair. Well done. Fair. We'll do one more. Are you ready? This time we need 3 fret fingers. 1, 2, 3. And your sounds are st, air, stare. You might climb the stairs to go to bed. Stare. Now let's have a go at reading some of our words. Remember, all of my words for today have our new sound in air. Look out for it. Off we go. P, air, pear. H, air, hair. They're stuck together. Next one. Air, lair. Air, fair. Ch, air, chair. St, air, stare. Let's go through those one more time. We have the word pear, hair, lair, fair, chair. stare. All of those words have our air sound in. How do we make our air sound? It's an a, I, air. That's a tricky one. I'm sure you're going to learn it and do lots of writing with it though. So now let's move on to our tricky red words. Now remember, these are the ones we can't thread in our head. You just have to learn them. Ready? Here we go. My, we, you. What's this one? The. Well done. Go, to, he, back to the beginning, my. Well done everyone. Are you ready to move on to reading some sentences now? Let's have a look at the sentences I've got for you today. Now, the first word is a tricky red word and it's the one that we've just been looking at. What was this red word? My. My. And that's the first word in our sentence today. We have a capital letter for the start of the sentence, a and a y. My. My. Now the next word is a long word, so sometimes it helps to split it into two. Let's look at this word. I'm going to cover up the end of the word and start with the first three letters. B-E-D. Bed. Bed. I'm going to swap my hands. I'm going to cover up the start of the word and read the end. And this part has a special friend in. Room. Room. Let's put those two words together. We had bed, room, bedroom. The word is bedroom. My bedroom is. My bedroom is. We've got another long word here, so we can split it up again. My bedroom is. First part of the word, up. Up. Cover it up. Oh, this word has our special friend air in. Sound it out with me. Stairs. Stairs. Up. Stairs. Upstairs. Let's read the sentence again. My bedroom is upstairs. My bedroom is upstairs. If you live in a house with stairs, your bedroom will probably be upstairs. But some people live in bungalows and their bedroom is downstairs on the ground floor. Let's have a look at my next sentence. We start with another tricky word, I. Will. I will. Tricky red word. This says go. I will go. Another tricky red word. Do you know this one? To. The word is to. I will go to. I will go to the. I will go to the. Next word has my new sound in, air. The word is air. Fair. I will go to the fair. I will go to the fair. I can't wait to go to the fair when the lockdown has finished and we can all go back to school. There'll be lots of summer fairs with rides and stalls there where you can buy things. I can't wait. Right, let's move on to our last little bit. We're going to do some writing. So we need to remember to use our special friends when we do our reading and our writing. Here's the sound we've been learning today, air. Let's see if we can use this in a sentence. So the first sentence I'm going to write today is, my hair is short. Your turn. My hair is short. And it doesn't matter if your hair is long or short. We can write the sentence, or you can write my hair is long. I'm going to write today, my hair is short. My hair is short. Are you ready? Let's count those words. My hair is short. Only 4 words. How do I spell that tricky word, my? Let's have a quick look at it again. There it is. We need a and a y. And I'm going to use a capital letter. And a y for the tricky red word, my. My. My hair is short. My hair. Hair is the next word we need. And it's got our special friend in. Hair. 2 thread fingers. Air. Hair. I need a, I'm going to use my finger space. Air. Air, that's not fair. How do I make the air sound? Call it out. I need a, I, air, air, hair, my hair. My hair is, I, s, is. My hair is short. The reason I wanted to write the word short is it has another special friend in. It has our or sound in from the other day. Let's write the word short. I need 3 thread fingers. Let's sound it out. Sh, or, t, short. I need sh, or, shut the door. So I need an o and a to make the or sound. Sh, or, t. Well done. My hair is short, short. Well done. And pop a full stop at the end. Give yourselves a pat on the back if you've done some writing with me at home today. Are you ready for another one? Your last sentence for the day. Your sentence is, I will meet him at the fair. Let's say that again, it's a bit long. I will meet him at the fair. Your turn. I will meet him at the fair. I will meet him at the fair. I will meet him at the fair. I need 7 words today. I will meet him at the fair. Your first word is a tricky red word, I. Write it down at home. I. Your next word, I will. Will. Let's sound that out together. What do we need? W. I. U. And I know that we need a double U for the word will. I will. I will meet. Meet. 3 thread sounds. Meet. Eat. Meet. Let's write it down. I've got my finger space. E. How do we make the E sound? It's an E and another E. Remember, E, what can you see? Meet. will meet him. Got 3 thread sounds, call them out. I, him. I will meet him. I will meet him at the fair. At is your next word. Nice and easy. At. I will meet him at the. Tricky red word. Call out the sounds we need for the. We need a t. Eh. Well done. I will meet him at the fair. The word fair has our new air sound in. Get your 2 thread fingers. Fair. Air. Fair. I need a. And our new sound, air. A. I. R. Air. Fair. I will meet him at the fair. Fair. I will meet him at the fair. Full stop at the end. Well done today, boys and girls. I think you should give yourself a marshmallow clap and a big pat on the back. You have done so well learning your sounds. Keep up all the hard work. I'll see you again soon.